let's look at crypto here, Bitcoin. So these are kind of the weekly supports marked out. Um,
Also starting to look bullish, but
yeah, but then like the stock is like
yeah,
rolled over. So Bitcoin tends to follow equities, like they kind of move together. You can see like when basically the SPY when it does a run up like Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is like the rest of crypto basically
yeah,
follows Bitcoin.
yeah. Bitcoin is a
So
good
that's
kind
why
of
we look
like
at
it's like the true north of the crypto market, I would say.
right,
Yeah,
right. So like so this could be a potential top, and if it like we did share in our earlier TA post, so if this tops out here, then you're gonna see BTC try to like find support here where the
mm,
strength band is, where actually like support also lines up,
yeah,
and then it could lose this, and then we're gonna see it either revisit uh, full lows or just kind of bounce here, making a higher low.
yeah. If it
And
does make the higher low, then that's another good indication that it might be time to stock up on some bitcoins again.
yeah, because like I think I'm gonna get rid of the lines just to make things clear. If you look at 2009, and this is what we also shared in the TA post,
Yeah,
we did sort of have an echo bubble pump, a pre-halving pump, call it what you will. But basically, it did kind of find support, and it retested weekly resistance here,
yeah,
only to get rejected. And this was a COVID crash, if you guys were around
hmm
and you remember that. But even during the COVID crash, it basically uh, dipped all the way to support the previous lows, but it did wick and bounce on it to make a higher low.
yeah.
And then you got
Then we
got
got the
another bull print, which actually started the bear market.
the bull
You can
market.
see how clean the trading buddy has been too. And so
Yeah,
I wouldn't be surprised if we get something similar where we see this dip,
yep,
uh, maybe bounce around $17,000, like around there. If it loses it, then of course, then we're making a new low. But it could be that we bounce here and then kind of range for a little bit, and then get in,
yeah,
then form the base for the next bull market,
yeah,
which I think, so it cycles, it follows a pattern where usually it starts right after the Bitcoin halving or having,
yeah.
however you say it,
I think
halvings,
I
right?
think either one, right?
Yeah, it's like
Halving.
halving, or but it's spelled HAV,
Yeah.
so I
Just
don't.
for context, what that is
Yeah.
the way that Bitcoin is distributed is based on an emissions schedule. The emissions schedule issues new bitcoins into circulations every 10 minutes, and the
Mhm.
amount of new bitcoins that are issued into circulation every 10 minutes is reduced by 50% every 3 years. So there is an event coming up in next year where the emissions of bitcoins that are entering the circulating supply market will drop by 50%. And generally speaking, those events tend to be the catalyst for bull markets in the Bitcoin cycle. So, in case you're
And
unaware of what this halving is, that's what we're talking about.
yeah, that's good context, and I think so. It's scheduled based off the hash rate, right?
Yeah.
Like I think it's scheduled to, or it could happen around April next
Yeah,
year.
so the timing for it is based on the block height. So the specific like there's a specific block at the Bitcoin blockchain. When this block gets added, the next block will receive a half the block reward. And because Bitcoin blocks are, you know, mathematically averaging every 10 minutes, but there's obviously discrepancy. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower. It's hard to pinpoint the exact moment when that halving will happen, but we can probably get it within the week. It's definitely
Right.
happening next year. I think around
So
around April, I believe.
I mean, so yeah, so with like Bitcoin, if we do see prices drop, and then if it holds around here, and then it starts forming a base, just like
We'll be
we did
yelling. We'll be
in
yelling at you to buy if that's happening.
yeah, at least like we'll be scaling in,
We'll be
and
buying for
probably
sure.
and then probably like go all in when we see a bull signal with a
Yeah.
green band.